evening, everyone. Thank you for your time. I want to speak in front of you about stop the death penalty. Recently, our nation have a big problem that is the drug abuse. There are many people in Indonesia uh, become victims of drug abuse. Our government is looking for the big boss of the drug, looking for the seller, looking for agency, or looking for uh, producer. Many of them has been put in prison. However, some of them uh, got the death penalty. I think it's good to clean the drug abuse from the society. It is good if our government work together with society to face the drug abuse. But how do it? Our government has imposed the death penalty, but the drug abuse more grows in society. Therefore, the death penalty is not the best way to stop the drug abuse. We can say, on the one hand, the death penalty is not best way to stop penalty, to stop drug abuse. And the other hand, the death penalty is contradiction with the God's will. Only God has authority to take life from everyone. Therefore, the government has to stop the death penalty. As we know, there are 140 countries on the world has stopped the death penalty.